Mbeca ici ineanĩtwo nĩ wabici ya thitango cia muingi na kamiti ya kuhurana ungumania kuri ministry ya Kigina. Kiamukira cikio, minister wa Kigina Ukuria Tanini oigire mbeca ici ciguteithĩrĩria haro-inĩ ya king'uki gĩa COVID-19.
That they want to undertake an important gesture or present to the National Treasury a check, which is a proceed of assets, really not assets, but cash that they have been able to, that they have been holding for the last few months.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa thitango cia muingi niwe Nurdin Haji, kigina giki ni kia muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 2.9 kiria kiyukitie kuuma na haro ya ungumania bururi-ini.
That these funds could be used towards helping Kenya in facing this emergency and fighting this pandemic that has broken out globally. So we have allocated 2 billion shillings to the COVID emergency funds, and these are proceeds from corruption that were recovered by us.
Mwena-ini wake, mwandiki kamiti-ini ya kuhurana ungumania Twalibu Mubarak ni ogaire thirikari ni inyitite mbeca nyingi muno cia wici no itingitumika ihinda riri tondu kwina macira maingi marathi na mbere bururi-ini.
And this money that you are seeing here being handed over to the committee is a product of the plea bargain. We still have money, the way the DPP has said, that is hanging in court because there are some cases that we are not able to get the money because people have appealed. So until the appeal is gone is when we'll be able to recover that money.
Twalibu ni ehitire ati haro ya ungumania no irathi na mbere na akenya ni meguthi makionaga maciaro mayo kuria ongereire ati ministry ya Kigina ni iriirwo ciringi ingi bilioni 7 kuma kĩondo-inĩ kia mathako na ituge ingi cia thirikari.
For the hard cash, mostly it will be through the DPP because he's the only one who is entitled to do what you call a plea bargain. The EACC cannot do plea bargain. It does the alternative dispute resolution. And on many occasions, that one comes to issue of fixed property.
Oroho, minister wa Kigina Ukuria Tani ne oigire thirikari igukorwo igite ciringi bilioni 60 thiini wa mieri 3 kumana na mitaratara ya kunyihia magoti na mibango ingi ya guteithĩrĩria ukuria wa bururi.
The net import of the incentives will result in 272 billion revenue loss for Kenya per year. So if you are looking at 3 months, then you are looking at a figure of about 60 billion.
Kugitira undu uyu, Yatani oigire thirikari ni inyihitie thabari na matumiro mangĩ matiganite maria matari na bata ihinda-ini riri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njita Gitau wa Wanjikũ.